Hello, and welcome to Heyward Career and Technology Center. The Heyward Career Center is a career and technology-focused school that is part of Richland School District 1. The welding course at Heyward Career Center is designed to develop basic manipulative skills and knowledge needed to pursue a welding career. Students learn to plan, layout, cut, and assemble metal products by transforming blueprints into reality. They learn to perform gas tungsten arc welding and gas metal arc welding. This course provides elements of today's major welding and cutting processes and provides continued safety, occupational orientation, and fabrication. Students in the advanced course learn about pipe welding procedures and qualifications, welding safety measurements, use of hand and power tools, sketching and reading engineering drawings, and weld symbol interpretations. We invite you to learn more about our exceptional career courses by visiting us online or give us a call for more information.